Right, so I would just like you to look, listen, and say. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Listen to music. One more time. Listen to music. Okay, good job. Watch movies. Okay, watch movies. Surf the internet. Surf the internet. Okay, very nice. Go fishing. Go fishing. Okay, great. Go swimming. Go swimming. Very nice. Do exercises. Okay, one more time. Do exercises. Okay. Go camping. Go camping. Okay. Eat out. Okay, so just be careful with the ending sound. Out. Yeah, we have to have the out. So, eat out. Yeah, one more time. Eat out. Okay, well done. Okay, so do you understand all the activities? All right, good. So tell me, do you like to listen to music? Yes, I do. Okay. Do you like to watch movies? Okay. Do you like to surf the internet? Okay, good. And do you like to go fishing? Do you like to go swimming? Okay. Do you like to do exercises? Okay, so it's good for your health. Hey, it's good for your health, but you don't like to do it. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Do you like to go camping? Very nice. And do you like to eat out? So to eat at a restaurant. Excellent job. Well done. We're going to do an activity now. Can you remember all the words? Okay. Yes. So we're going to play a game. It's called Mixed Up Letters. So the letters are all mixed up, and you need to look at the letters and say the word. Okay. It's or the activity. It's these ones we've just learned. Do you understand?
All
right. The first one is just an example. Let's see. So the first one is an example. This is what it's going to look like. Then you can just say leisure activities. Okay, activities. It's like things we do for fun. Okay, but don't worry too much about this word. No, this one, it's okay. Just an example. Okay, but the letters will be all mixed up. Here we go. The first one. Okay, let's check. All right, good job. That's right. Do exercises. Can you say it one more time? Okay, very nice. Eat out. Okay, remember we learned eat. Yeah, eat out. Okay, one more time. Eat out. Okay, good job. Next. All right, go camping. All right, yeah. Go camping. Okay, great. Next one. Let's see. Okay, go fishing. Good job. One more time. Go fishing. Okay, great. Okay, I think you're right. Yes. Go swimming. One more time. Okay, great. Okay, let's see. Listen to music. Good job. Next one. Okay, let's check. Are you right? Yes. Okay. Surf the internet. Facebook, TikTok, all those things. Okay. Yes, good job. Okay, one more time. Watch movies. Okay, great. Yes. 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 Yes.
Please.
Okay, good. Excellent. Great. Good. Boom. All right, game over. Great job. Now let's go on to the dialogue. We're going to role play. So we're going to practice this conversation. We have Lucy, Chris, and Chang. Okay. You can be Lucy first. I will be Chris and Chang. Then we will swap. Okay. All right. So Lucy, I usually go fishing with my uncle. We also go swimming then. I just enjoy watching movies at home and surfing the internet. I want to do some exercises, but I am too lazy to do it. Okay. All right. You are Lucy. No, you are Chris and Chang. I am Lucy. Okay. Hey, Chris, do you have any plans for this weekend? I am pretty free, but I do not know what to do. What about you, Chang? What do you usually do in your spare time? Okay, great job. Excellent. Okay, let's move on. So we're just going to learn about these grammar structures today. So the first one we have is to enjoy or love.
Enjoy or love.
And then we add verb ing. So the verb plus ing. Can you read this for me? Okay. So this structure is used to say that you feel happy to do something or you get pleasure from something. Something that you like to do, you feel happy to do it, you will use this structure. Okay. Does it make sense? Okay. So, can you read the example? Okay, good. So you see enjoy and verb ing, swimming. Okay. Love and cooking, verb ing. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one. It's to be. So it's am, is, are. Okay. Am, is, are plus into plus verb ing or something. So it can be verb ing or just something. Okay. So can you read this structure for me, please? Okay. So this structure is used to say that you really like or love doing something. So it's similar to this one, but it's more that you like doing it. Okay. Where this is more like the feeling and you get pleasure from it. Okay. Very similar. Okay. So can you read the example? Okay, so here they said, so to be, am, I am, into, and then they didn't use verb ing, we used something, music. Okay, it means I really enjoy music. Okay, you could also say I am really into swimming. Okay, verb ing. I am really into I can just think of verb ing. Running. Okay. Do you understand? Okay, good. And the next structure, the last one. subject to be plus to plus adjective and then to the verb. Okay. So can you read this? Okay. So this structure is used to say when something is more than enough. It's more. It's more than what is needed. More than enough. Okay. Can you read the example? Okay. Can you try make an example? Can you make a sentence with this one first? Okay, good. And what about this one? Okay, very good. And what about this one? Okay, boba tea. All right, good job. Let's look at this picture. Where are they? They are in school. And where in school? Okay, good. So we can say in a classroom. So we can say they are in a classroom. Okay, good. And how many students are in the classroom? Okay, so let's count students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this one is a teacher. Okay, so the students are learning from the teacher. Okay, so how many students are there? 5 students. Okay, good. And what is the teacher talking about? Okay, so hobbies. All right, good. So we have another dialogue to practice here. It's the teacher, Patel, and Chris. All right. I will be the teacher. You can be Patel and Chris. So, now, for a warm-up activity, let's talk about your hobbies. Patel, what do you like doing in your free time? Okay, that sounds interesting. Actually, I am not into outdoor activities. I just love staying at home and having dinner with my family. I enjoy cooking for my family so much. Therefore, we rarely eat out. Okay. Before we swap, let's swap. You can be the teacher. I love music. I often listen to music whenever I feel stressed or bored. I really love outdoor activities. I enjoy going camping every weekend with my friends. The atmosphere in the jungle is really pleasant to me. I can also take nice photos there. Okay, excellent. All right, practice in pairs. Okay, so we're going to practice together. So, I asked you this question already, but it's okay. We can choose something, we can choose an activity from here. Okay, and then we can use it to answer these questions. Okay. Oh, actually, wait, we have A and B. Okay. I will be A first, and you can be B. What do you like doing when you have free time? I do not like going out. I just enjoy staying at home and cooking. We all love homemade dishes. Okay, do you know homemade? Yes, it's in the word, hey? Made at home, homemade. Okay. Let's swap. You can be A, I will be B. I often eat out. I go to a restaurant to have dinner with my family. What about you? All right, good. Now we're going to use these pictures and change the dialogue a bit. Okay, so can you I will be A.
No.
So you can say, I often listen to music. I listen to music in my bedroom. Okay, what about you? Okay, for example. So what do you like doing when you have free time? I do not like surfing the internet. I just enjoy going camping. I love the outdoors. Okay. So now let's swap. You're going to ask me. Okay. I often go fishing. I go fishing with my brother and dad. What about you? Now we're going to talk about a hobby now. Okay. So I will be A, you will be B. What is your hobby? Okay. I do too. I am into music, especially old songs. Okay, good. Any words that you don't understand here? Now, let's swap. You are A, I am B. I do not have any special favorite activities, but I enjoy listening to music when I am free. What about you? Okay. Actually, I also enjoy going out on weekends, but sometimes I'm just too lazy to move. Okay, now let's look at the pictures again and change the dialogue by using the pictures. Okay. What is your hobby? I do too. I am into swimming, especially when it is hot. Okay, you are going to ask me. I do not have any special favorite activities, but I enjoy watching movies when I'm free. What about you? Okay,